Hello and welcome to an introduction to navigating Brightspace. When you come into Brightspace, it will list your courses here on the landing page. Now, yours will look a little different than mine, and that's okay. I'm just going to click on the course that I want. So I clicked on Anatomy and Physiology as the course that I wanted to open up. What's going to happen is when you click on that, the course will show a welcome. This is where you see some announcements from instructors. There's a course menu off to the side here and then any updates at the bottom. So what I recommend that you do to get into your course to see the modules is that you click on Content. To get back to that main page, you can either click on Course Home or click up top here where it says the name of the actual course, and it'll take you back there. So click on Content to get in to see your course. The most important module that's in here that you need to look at when you begin your course is the Start Here. This will contain a welcome. It'll contain a Meet Your Instructor, and you can just click on that. You can also look at a course schedule if it is provided. You can go ahead and navigate to the next piece of content in that module by using the arrows at the top. Here is the course outline, which will also be of interest to you. Then we have a How to Get Help. So this is IT services if you need to link to them to ask them something. Student services, our policies and forms, and then it will get you also to do a system check. And if you need to, any Office 365 that you may need to get into as well. So to get back to that module, I'll click back on the Start Here. Now, the next module you'll see is a class Q&A forum. That is where you can ask questions, share thoughts, ideas, or experiences with other students. And traditionally in our courses, the first module that you need to cover will be marked 01. So this would be what you would click on. So in this case, this module is called 01, Introduction to Anatomy and Physiology. If we go down to the next one, Chemistry of Life, you'll see same format, think about it in this module and then the lessons. So just to take you through the navigation of this, if you click on Think About It, if you want to go to the next one, use the arrows in this module. When you click Next and it brings you up to a submodule called Lessons, it'll bring you right back to that table of contents. So we'll click on Word List here. And to navigate through those items, we're just going to use the arrows. So if we want to go back again, we can go back to Table of Contents here. And that'll take us right back to the main page again in our content. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and let's say that we were working through this module and we finished all our lessons, now we're ready to go ahead and look at our homework. In this case, this is where you can find your assessments. So these are quizzes and we just click on them and they'll open up. So I'm just going to do a preview here and you'll click on the Start Quiz and that'll bring up some questions, and then when you're done, you can just go ahead and click Submit Quiz. Depending on how your instructor has it set up, it may or may not give you what you scored on each individual question, and it will give you, what your grade was. Now, you can also do this, if I just go back to Content here again, takes us back to the main page. You can find quizzes here up in the Quiz tab. But for most modules, you'll find that your instructor has incorporated those right into your content. So if we go down and look at the next module on cells, we have a Think About It in this module, and then we have some lessons and some homework again. So just to go ahead and go through those different modules, we just click on them. If you're looking for information about your instructor or scheduling or course outline, you can go back up to that Start Here. If we want to go back to that main page, look at an announcement, we can go ahead and click on that Course Home. And to get back in to actually see our content, we can click on Content. If we go back to Home, which takes you back and lists all your courses, you will notice at the top here that we have a Help tab. And that allows you to go through, and if you wanted some video tutorials on Brightspace, you can go ahead and click on that, and that'll bring you into YouTube. And there's all sorts of Brightspace resources here, how to navigate the learning environment, how to submit quizzes, how to upload something to Dropbox. All of those videos are there to help you out and are accessible through the help drop down when you come back to that landing page. So I hope this helps you to get into Brightspace and navigate around a little bit. And if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to your instructor, which you can find in the Start Here, Meet Your Instructor, and they can give you any help that to assist you in anything that you can't find. Welcome to NBCC, and I hope you enjoy taking your course here. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for listening.